As the global population rises, the need for land and resources rise along with it. But the global population will diminish if we let the wetlands problem escalate beyond control. Wetlands contribute to around 6% of the United States land area, but in 1780, it was double that. It diminishes and deteriorates because of the need for space, extra people, and families. This is a problem because wetlands provide us basic necessities such as clean water and air, flood protection, limited carbon emissions, and many more. Wetlands can save coastal areas and towns from floods by storing around 1 million gallons of water depending on the type. The solution? Living shorelines. They are very underutilized as a solution to rebuild wetlands, but it is very effective. The biggest problem with a normal seawall is the erosion it causes over time. Erosion is the constant breakdown and movement of soil that should not be moved. A living shoreline combats this by recreating the basic idea of a wetland or marsh, absorbing the water slowly and controlling erosion. It promotes biodiversity and habitat conservation, and it slowly restores these wetlands. Although it is time-consuming and only works on sloped areas so far, research and mass production will make these worldwide and perfect.